This is my 2002 Toyota 4Runner 4-wheel drive. My issue is that my transfer key low 4 switch is messed up according to the engine code P1782. And here's the information. If you post this video, you're able to. Here's the trouble areas for this code. My principal issue is that this vehicle was not driven 4-wheel drive at all, pretty much, from previous owners. So when I went to drove it drove fine, but then I guess the switch got stuck and it was messing up the idle due to it. And now I have an engine code, as I was saying. And these are the reasons why it's detecting the code. The trouble area could be the ECM or the switch. I believe the switch, because that's the only issue. The only thing that actually got touched when I got the vehicle. Here's a wiring diagram. Here's how to test the switch. All I have to do is get a multimeter and do a continuity test. Then you check the voltage in the ECM. If it's not the switch, they're all fine. And here's the instructions. And here's your transfer case. Here's where the switch, the L4 position switch, is located, which is the first switch on the left. So once you shove in low 4, it'll detect it. And according to this code, it's not working. So I ended up going to Toyota and buying this one. Here's the part number for it if it's needed. Where is it? Kind of broke right there. 84222-35080. And here's the switch that's being replaced. In order to, well, the easiest way to remove this switch is go look at a video that Timmy The Toolman has. I love that guy, amazing. Look at his video on how to remove the transfer case. Transfer case, and he had to remove the shifter and everything. So in order to remove the shifter, just go ahead and watch this video. It'll be the easiest way to do it, because there's like a crap ton of bolts all over the place. 10mm bolts. How to remove this, both sides, pull it out. It's pretty basic. Then I decided to go ahead and remove the front because it was a pain to remove the shifter, because you also have to go under there in transmission and remove the little nut that was on there to remove the shifter. So that's that. And you have to buy a 27mm wrench that is massive. I went to Home Depot and get this, and you're going to use this side to get under there, which the switch is located right there, conveniently, as you can see right there. And I also removed this shifter. In order to do that, you have to use 12mm socket to remove it. It was super easy to remove that. Make sure you clean the area out some before doing it, so the debris doesn't get in there. And all you have to do is lightly unscrew it, and then you can get down there and use your hand to replace the switch, because you don't really have much room to do it from up here. And then that should fix your trouble code. I didn't see no videos on how to do this. I almost paid a mechanic to do it. So yeah, and then it's happy reinstalling, installing everything.